Dave and I met at a world-renowned flame workers studio, and we started our studio in April of '02 with just his torch and my torch. And immediately we found interest in people wanting to learn from the community.
And ever since then, we have just been building and growing and watched the whole glass blowing and art scene here in St. Pete kind of explode around us. So it's been a great time.
And so that kind of set our trajectory for the next 20 years, where we thrive in the environment where people can come in and not only have a fun experience, but also start their career in glass blowing.
It is all about the heat and the fluidity of the medium. You have to be, it's all encompassing, and you just have to sit there and be fully present in this when you're creating. That is really my favorite time. As the piece comes into form and continue to create it. Once it's kind of finished, I'm almost on to the next piece. I really love the actual art of glass making and the act of glass making.
We have so many people who come in, whether it's for the first time to just have a 1-hour experience, or if they are coming repeatedly to kind of take their glass blowing skills to the next level. We're able to see people who, when they first started, were a little tentative and maybe a little fearful. And then by the end of just a 1-hour session, they're in the zone and there's nothing that can stop them. And having that experience come walking through our door day in and day out is something that drives me and inspires me to then do what I can to take my skills above and beyond where they were today or even yesterday or the day before.
We're located here in the Warehouse Arts District of St. Petersburg at 627th Street South. It's 33712. You can also check us out online at www.zenglass.com or at Zen Glass Studios on Instagram if you want to stay up to date with all the latest creations coming out of the studio. But we'd love to have you come down and take a class, check out the gallery, or come to one of the many events that we do at night. We are open Tuesday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday, noon to 5 p.m.